For whatever reason, I'm someone who loves to indulge in the haze of nostalgia. And there are a few seasons that make me more nostalgic than Christmas. I loved that in elementary school, the walls, ceilings, doors, everything would always change to reflect the season. I diligently sat on those yellow school buses, drawing hearts into the frosted window and feeling like the main character. I never minded the first days back from break because the teachers would just ask us what we did over the holiday, so we never had to do much work. We'd cut snowflakes and make ornaments. I wish they kept doing that. And perform Christmas concerts with dads lined up with camcorders in the back. In my family car, one we've now sold, we only had a couple CDs to play. We always said we'd burn or buy more, but that became a relic of time. In it, we had one Christmas album. I don't have it anymore, and I feel like all the songs were off-brand carols, but if I ever hear one, it always instantly takes me back. In my childhood bedroom, there's a large window overlooking big evergreens and leafy trees outside, and I would always hope it would snow before Christmas. One year, it was getting awfully far into December, and we still didn't have a big snow. I remember waking up in the middle of the night and seeing half a foot of white perched on top of tree branches with the moon making everything sparkle. It was truly magical. The holidays as a kid is a different kind of magic. My favorite days as an adult, the ones I get so rarely, are the ones where I can do whatever I want at any hour. From watching a movie to watercoloring, it's the freedom to follow your whims without a mind or heart heavy with anxiety. And that's what winter break as a kid always felt like. Pre-Netflix days, my parents barely had cable, but there was a bundle deal that came with a free DVR, so I could record my favorite Christmas shows even if I missed them, which I thought was truly the most useful technology ever. From The Secret World of Santa Claus to A Charlie Brown Christmas to Disney holiday episodes, those will forever be the background for this season. I recently put up my first proper Christmas tree in my first proper adult apartment. At first, it was quite empty, with 9 cheap ornaments trying desperately to seem like more. I've filled it out a bit, but it lacks the character of the one at my parents' house, where ugly ornaments crafted by my sister and I as kids overstuff our tree. Perhaps between the ages of 6 and 12 is when Christmas magic really is just different. They say youth is wasted on the young. But the lesson I take away is whenever you get a glimmer of that magic, savor it. Because it's special and it's fleeting and it's what makes up a life.